Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy grab and go breakfast. This is absolutely satisfying. I know you guys are going to love this one. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Here are the list of the ingredients. I'm using lean chicken breast, and the rest of the ingredients will be in the description box along with the measurements. So I preheated my pan. I added 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding some diced onions and garlic. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on really low heat. Then we are going in with our green onions, parsley, and cilantro. Allow this to cook for an additional minute, not forgetting our bell peppers. Alright, allow this to cook for an additional minute. Then we are going in with our lean chicken breast. Now here guys, you can choose to add whatever meat you like. I am just easing off of the red meat, so here I'm using chicken breast. I'm adding some Worcestershire sauce, some tomato sauce, and allow this to cook for about 10 minutes and it's done. So here I have 2 eggs, and I'm just gonna add some pepper, which is optional because the meat is really flavorful. Add some butter to your pan, and then we're going to add the egg and allow this to sit for about 1 minute 30 seconds. After that's done, we're going to add our tortilla right over the top, and after 30 seconds we are going to flip. It looks absolutely beautiful. Here we're going to add some cheese, then we're going in with our meat. Now you can choose to add here, as little or as much as you like. Alright, then I'm going in with some fresh parsley, and I'm using some red onions. If you guys have tomatoes, you can add that here as well. Just make it your own. Anything you like in the center there you can put. Alright, then we are going to fold and seal, and I slightly brushed the top with some butter, and it looked really toasted and glossy, absolutely divine. Guys, please try this, and if you do, let me know how yours turned out. Alright, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. I appreciate y'all. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.